Hi Leo, welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading current energy check-in for the month of June 2024. Ang ating timestamp ay 1:22 PM, June 30, 2024. I was supposed to do your reading last week pero nagkasakit ako. So please bear with me kung naririnig niyo akong nauubo during the video recording of your Tagalog reading, okay? And sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat as always sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga readings, okay? So, as you know, collective reading to, so maaaring mag-resonate to sa certain collective. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Okay, Leo? So, i-shuffle ko lang muna yung mga cards again in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in few seconds, okay? Hi Leo, so simulan na natin na yung reading at gagamitin natin yung deck na The Sacred Self-Care Oracle deck. Okay? So kukuha tayo ng 7 cards and ikakat ko lang ulit yung deck into 3 or 3 times, I mean. Okay? And one more time kasi ginagawa ko yan bago ko kunin yung 7 cards nyo. Are you ready, Leo? Okay? So the first card, nandyan ang Make an Altar. Lumabas to pero not frequently. I forgot ko anong zodiac. But yan, make an altar. Once lang yata lumabas. Drink tea. So first time lumabas tong card na to. Alone time, frequently lumalabas pero sa ibang placement, nasa manifestation mo. Connect with crystals. Okay? Beauty ritual. Lumabas siya kanina pero sa ibang placement. And then, nandito ang watch a movie, first time to sa New Beginnings. And then at the center, nandyan ang sweet treat. Lumabas siya pero I think one time lang. I forgot ko ano rin yung zodiac sign na yun. Anyway, let's begin. Alright, so sa first position mo, make an altar. Yung release position, like I always say, yung mga bagay kinakailangan completely i-let go mo na. Or, yung mga bagay na na-hold back, no, for a while na matagal mo nang hindi nagawa, it's about time na i-pick up mo na or matagal mo na hindi na-exercise or napapractice or completely hindi mo pa nagagawa. So, sinasabi dito, make an altar daw. Okay, it's more like an advice for you to connect spiritually sa sarili mo, sa mga belief system mo, sa yung mga practice, religiously and spiritually, no. So, maybe it's been a while na hindi tayo nakapag-pray, nakapag-meditate, whatever it is, anong belief system, it doesn't matter. So, it's about time daw to connect again with your guide, sa yung spirit, sa yung mga, to God, to other mga spiritual beings na you are in connection with. Kasi dito mapapansin mo parang Hinduism siya, no? Or whatever it is, doesn't matter. But kung Catholic ka, it doesn't matter. Kung you're doing metaphysical stuff, it's okay also. So yun, connect whatever is yung belief system mo para ma-heighten yung spiritual growth mo. Kasi I believe na if we are more spiritual, no, or religious, I think it will help for us, no, para mas maging in alignment tayo sa mga bagay na gusto natin na mangyari sa 3D, okay? Na makita na nangyayari, 'di ba? So, and then, I hope it makes sense. Sa position 2 naman, Leo, no, drink tea. Ito yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. Kasi, yung tea has a benefit, no, sa katawan natin. It helps you relax, calm down, no, kasi it also means na drink something healthy, okay? Ipagpatuloy mo yan. Something na baka you keep on doing. Baka you're on a diet, no? When it comes sa sabihin natin sa liquid diet, sabihin natin gano'n, or you're on a really healthy diet right now, no, it doesn't have to be drink tea lang, maybe eat healthy as well. So focus on the kind of foods that you feed, no, your soul and your body. And then it could also mean like drink herbal, okay, if you're into that, no, or nasa juice diet kayo, may certain drinks kayo na ininom, continue doing that. Kasi in the long run, parang, I feel like, kasi nasa position to siya, no, it will really benefit your health in the long run. Okay, Leo? Now, sa third position, nandiyan yung alone time. Kung makikita mo, mermaid siya. Tapos, yung nasa paligbot ng circle is parang mga planets. Okay? parang mga planets, and then ito yung shore, rocks, and then yung ocean. So, sa manifestation, alone time, sabi dyan na para makapag-manifest ka, focus ka sa sarili mo. Okay? Focus ka sa self mo. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na alamin yung mga bagay na gusto mo, desires mo from other people. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan talaga ng opinion nila kung ano yung ba yung mas best sa'yo or not. Kasi ang sagot sa mga manifestations and desires mo, no, kung hindi ka sigurado kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-manifest, litong-lito ka pa, spend some time alone sa sarili mo muna. Shut down the noise. Yun yung sinasabi sa manifestations mo. Ano ba yung ano ba yung dinedesire ng heart mo? What your heart desire? Parang ganon, okay? And, ano yung mga inner thoughts and feelings mo? Okay? Kasi in silence, doon mo makikita yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Like ako, if I go within, at the end of the day, alam ko, this person is really my person. Sana magbago siya. Okay? That's one example. At the end of the day, isipin ko, gusto ko pa rin mag-abroad. Kasi parang, I'm really catered, no, na magtrabaho abroad. No? Mahal ko ang Pinas, but I still want to go abroad. Kasi parang, yun talaga yung hinahanap ng yun ang desire ko. Nag-e-enjoy ako to work with other nationalities. You know, these things. So, I'm manifesting, sana makapag-abroad ako. For example, I'm manifesting this person back, pero sana magbago siya. Kaya yun ang ibig ko sabihin dito. In your silence, in your solitude, doon mo malalaman yung mga ninanais-nais natin na mangyari. Okay? Now, to create a great life. Okay? And to reflect din kung ano ba yung mali or may missing sa atin, no? And kung ano ba yung may mga void. Do we need that void to be filled? Diba? Parang gano'n. Or kailangan na ba natin i-let go talaga at palitan? Alright? Now, sa third position mo, Leo, connect with crystals. Are you working with crystals? External energy to, no? There could be parang people or mga influences around you, maybe social media, YouTube as well, na na-introduce ka sa crystal. Kasi crystal, like I said, this is Consite, guys. Consite is your best crystal when you want to attract a soulmate. Okay? Sabihin ko sa inyo, maraming crystal for love, di ba? Nandyan ang amethyst, nandyan ang rose quartz, nandun ang rose quartz ko. Ba't kasi matitilapon yung ibang crystals pag kinuha ko yung rose quartz na sa ilalim. Pero ang rose quartz kasi, it's a love na general love, okay? Pero kung i-attract mo yung soulmate na, hindi ito yung pang-crush level, ito yung soulmate na ina-attract mo na gusto mo na pakasalan ka ng commitment, no? So, ang nire-recommend ko, Consite. Okay? Visualize this crystal, work with it, no? Ako meron ako nito. I do see na I have a soulmate, for example, no? Pero right now kasi we're in a rough patch, no? Parang ang negative energy ng tao. Ako, I'm so positive about it. So, iniisip ko tuloy na maybe I should just attract a general person, no? Not really a specific person. Kasi nakahalo naman yung logic mo and subconscious mind mo. So, you know any better, di ba? Pero yun nga, ignore lang what happens in 3D and let's see how the future will unfold, di ba? So, yun, work with crystals like Consite, for example, if you want to attract a soulmate. And yun yung mga external energies. Maybe I could be your external energy rin. Pinapanood mo to. And maybe I could influence you somehow sa interest sa crystal. Kasi ang crystal, like the selenite, it carries a frequency. Ayan. Citrine, tiger eye, moss agate. I think moss agate, no? They carry luck, abundance, prosperity, success sa career. Especially tiger eye. Strong positivity, optimism, courage. You know? And then, nandito ang aking obsidian, okay, nasa kanan. Ito naman is pang protect sa aking energy, no, against mga evil eye, ill intentions, and jealousy. So, i-wear mo yan on your left. There are crystals na pang left. Ito ang receiving. Ito yung kailangan mo ma-receive. I want to receive abundance. Sa left sila, di ba? Sa right, yung palabas. So, yung mga negative energy, i-absorb, then ilalabas. So kaya nasa right ko yung obsidian. So, yun, work on your crystals, no? It could be an external energy sa'yo. So, connect with crystals. Maybe, it will help to level up yung frequency mo, Leo. Right? Okay? Now, sa fifth position, no, ito yung magbe-benefit ka, no? Beauty ritual. So, ang beauty ritual, guys, no, is something na kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo, physical aesthetics, no. Kasi it's not only for other people. Hindi tayo nagbe-beauty ritual, guys, para magpaganda sa ibang tao. No, that's not the purpose. Ang purpose niya, no, really, esoteric meaning. So, it helps us to feel good and look good. Okay, internally, it helps you feel better, di ba? It helps you parang to reinvent the way you think and perceive yourself. Kasi if you feel good, you like the way you look, and then you will believe, I am the one, I am beautiful, I am confident, I am magnetic. And yung mga affirmation and belief na yan, eventually, pag pinaniwalaan mo, it will become your truth. And that truth will manifest, okay? So, that's the point of, giving yourself some beauty ritual at position 5. Ito yung what do you need to give to yourself, Leo. Okay? Now, at position 6, Leo, nandiyan ang watch a movie sa new beginning mo. Okay, maybe you could be watching alone or with friends or with your cuddle, with your favorite pet, ito cat. Nanonood siya ng movie. For some reason, nasan yung beginning siya? When was the last time nag-enjoy ka? No, di ba, nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. When was the last time nag-enjoy ka sa isang magandang palabas? Okay, yung mga new beginnings mo, I feel like may mapipick up ka something sa isang movie na papanoorin mo. Yung new beginning na to, kasi ang movie is either fiction or non-fiction, documentary, whatever is your genre. No? It keeps you inspired, it gives you, magbibigay ng frequency of vibration yan based sa feelings na ina-attack sa'yo. So, if you watch a movie, feel-good movie, then you will feel good. Okay? Kung manood ka ng movie na nakakatakot, you feel nakakatakot, di ba? No, so, I feel like it will help to stimulate yung mga bagong simula sa'yo. Maybe it will inspire you as well. May interested ka sa isang movie because may gusto kang malaman, may gusto kang matutuhan doon. So, it will serve as parang trigger or a catalyst para magkaroon ka ng mga bagong simula o bigyan ka ng idea. Yeah? Okay? And then it could also be literally, could be parang yung gagawin mong new beginning has something to do with movie. You could be working for a media company. Like ako, galing kasi ako sa media company, broadcasting channel ang pinanggaling ako before. Now, I'm working in a bank. So, it has something to do with movie, yung mga new beginnings. So, you could also be working sa animation. Naghanap ka ng trabaho sa animation. Who knows, diba? Makakuha ka ng job sa animation as a graphic artist, etc., etc., or an intern or a producer. We don't know, diba? You could be working as a content creator. Okay? Yun. I hope it resonates. Now, at the center naman, Leo, yung kailangan mo matutunan, you have yet to learn, or maybe natutunan mo recently, sweet treats. Okay. Indulge yourself in something sweet. Okay? No, kasi kung makikita mo to, may fruits, may cupcakes, may cakes, may candy, no. It could not mean literal, no. It could be mean lang na it's about time na to indulge in sweet things, sweet people, sweet emotions, and sweet feelings. So, kung masyado tayong na-detach in the past, so, huwag tayong matakot na maging malambing, maging compassionate, maging sweet, maging kind. Okay? So, Leo, ito yung current energy check-in mo. Natapos ang reading mo at 1:38 p.m. June 30, 2024. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo, Leo. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Leo. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye!